Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 4X, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key in order to shut off the device. So tap on power off, confirm it, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. So power, volume up. And once you see the Honor logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you will use volume keys to navigate it. You want to go all the way down to wipe cache partition. So use volume down to basically navigate down. And once it's selected in blue like it is right now, you want to press power key and it will start wiping the cache partition. And it just takes a brief moment and it's basically done. And once it's finished, reboot system now will be again selected by default. So all you really need to do now is press power key once more to go back to your Android system. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So that is how you would wipe cache partition on the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.